Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Nothing Phone 4a. So what you guys want to do first is go over and check the volume levels in these settings. So we're going to open up these settings. Now we're going to go to the sound and vibration. We got it right here. We want to make sure that media volume is turned all the way to the right. So this is how we can check the volume levels. Now, if you do not have this option at max, then make sure to change it. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the speaker grill at the bottom right here. So you can use a soft brush for it. Make sure that it goes inside of those holes. And after that, you will be able to easily clean it. But make sure to not force it to go into there. And you can use an air compressor for an example to actually get it in there. So now, after that, what you guys want to do is go over and disable Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not rerouted. So to go to connected devices, go to connection preferences and select Bluetooth. Now my Bluetooth is turned off, but if yours isn't, then you will see your device name. Now make sure that the device name disappears, and that means your Bluetooth is disabled. After that, what we're going to do as a last resort is update our software. So we're going to go over and scroll down until we see the About Phone section. We're going to click on Nothing OS and we're going to click on Nothing OS again. Now, as you guys can see, it's already installing an update for me. But if you're on the latest version, that's great. If you're not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software because you don't want to be running around with any old glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.